This is how to refill HP 204A toner cartridges using an Inkowl toner refill kit to save up to 80% on your printing costs. This is a toner hole making tool. We will use this tool to easily pierce into the cartridge without the risk of plastic bits damaging the internal components. Step 1. Pierce a hole into the toner compartment at this location. Step 2. Perforate the protective vinyl to create a hole for refilling. Step 3. If it's your first time using aftermarket refills, it's a good idea to dump out any residual toner to avoid the risk of toner contamination, which would result in poor print quality. Here is a bottle of Inkowl's high-quality black toner for HP M180. Step 4. While gently rocking the bottle and the cartridge, begin pouring toner through the refill hole. Step 5. Seal the hole with some provided aluminum tape. Use your fingernail to crease the edges of the tape, thus ensuring a good seal. Add additional tape to ensure a hermetic seal. You should be able to shake the cartridge without any toner falling out. To extend the life of your cartridge and increase the number of refills you will be able to repeat on the same cartridge, you can empty the excess toner compartment. To do so, pierce a second hole here. Empty the contents of the compartment and seal that hole. HP toner cartridges use a smart chip to store and indicate the toner level on your printer. However, replacing the chip is not required for the printer to work. Although the toner level will not be displayed, the printer will print normally. Congratulations, your cartridge is now ready to be installed. By refilling all 4 colors, you can save yourself $150 and throw 4 less cartridges into the landfill. Take a moment. Think green. Think refilling. Think Inkowl.